I've gotten video to talk about this before, but we actually love doing hotels and apartment buildings. The fun thing about that is we're not there to trash your property, right? We actually enjoy taking a look at each individual room like it's a residential property and taking a look at the whole because it's a commercial property. Then we take both of those perspectives together and write you a list of costs top to bottom on every component, left to right over 10 years. It's a lot like a property improvement plan, except we're just giving you the ball to go and take it and to run your upgrades and your upkeep based on those numbers. Should you want a property improvement plan, we have a whole branch of our company that does that, where we not only come in and inspect, we pitch out all the plans, but we oversee your general contractor, all of your subcontractors, and make sure that that execution goes to plan. Hotels and apartment buildings need regular upkeep to hold and increase value. You don't want to let them bottom out and then try to sell it at the bottom. You're going to lose more money than you thought you would. Take a look at WVTC3.com. Thanks again.